Good morning, Tashi Delek. Welcome back to twinphosafamily. Today we are at the Ontario Science Center at Sherway Garden in Etobicoke with boys. So hope they'll have fun. 맞춤다. Atlara, jacket ninja mulu. So the entrance to the science center is through inside the mall. So here we are. Here we are.
The science center and there's like games and stuff. So we're going in.
What is in there?
I like cool stuff.
Cool stuff. Okay, are you excited?
Yeah.
Hujum? Kyo nyama delle sara kyo?
Yeah.
Khade chos nyama lidu.
But
Kyo khade nyam dusu yam delle kyo? Laptan le re. Laptan le re nyama. Okay. Didu ki bucha sani?
yes.
Okay. Ki bucha so la da? Okay, ata doanza. 근데 추즈 주지도 자차도 다. So 아주 추즈 중이가 지디 치래. 중이가 지디 도 해침바. 오늘에 kids are gonna have fun, and it's not too far from our place. It's about like 5 minutes drive, even less than that. Already. Hi, together, yeah. Okay.
What kind of stuff do you have in here? We have 2 exhibits. We have
Already. Yeah, they actually have like cool. Meaning chala, camping door. Oh, tent on a rafting boat. Oh, I think younger kids will like it here. This reminds me of the play area we saw in Korea on their Children's Day. What is this?
what I give them.
Lungbog ಇದೆ ಹೊಲ. Mom? Oh, chain links actually. You link chair da. So basically, you're gonna build the bridge, connect the bridge. So they measure boys' height with that, and they're good to go.
I don't know the precise measurement.
헬멧 경거래. 헬멧 저어요라 대신이래. Thank you.
Time.
Yeah, that was very good.
The rope pull was easy, like the walking one, same as that one.
Yeah.
Like that one.
Which one was the hardest one?
This one, like this one.
Oh, the
And
last
then,
one?
And then that one.
The first, yeah.
And then that one, and then that one.
Okay. Piece of cake for you. It was very good. क्यों खाने चीज़ तो फील खाने चीज़ गालता था क्यों बिचा से
Yeah.
आज sailboat sir sani lungo taris okay sonam lagi chusing oh wow samad chusing pe aku saske wow wow What did you do? So that even the grown-ups are enjoying this obstacle course. Pujung, how was the obstacle course? Good? Did you enjoy? Do you want to play again? No? Alrighty. Kids are having fun and we still have more things to explore on the other side. And this Ontario Science Center is the building that they're using right now. It used to be Nordstrom. So after Nordstrom shut down, I think it was empty for a bit. Now the Ontario Science Center is they open it here. Before Nordstrom, I think it was Sports Check here. I don't remember correctly, but I think it was Sports Check here. So it's in a Sherway garden, not too far from our place. So kids enjoyed. Kids are still having fun. We're gonna go explore the other side soon. Yeah. I think we go in there and then exit from here. Maybe they have some something to see, some activities in there. Wow! So we are camping today.
I heard lobster dog. But it's actually, I don't know, it's actually just a species. Yeah, I know fire. It's actually just a ball. Like, it's actually like, just like a glass with red chemical in it.
So what? Now we are sitting on the log. Where's our marshmallow? Some more, sir.
Here, it's food. I didn't hear no.
Let's play
the game.
So we are going into survival the exhibition.
That's it.
Popularcık suya raşın. This is our first aid kaçırış.
How to perform air CPR. Cardiac emergencies can happen anywhere.
Guys, the instruction to the day.
Known as hands-on CPR. You can learn it in minutes, it's easy to remember, and it can help. Kneel beside them and put the heel of one hand on the center of their chest. Place your other hand over that hand, lacing your fingers together. Position your shoulders directly over your hands, keeping your arms straight and your fingers off the chest. Step 5. Push hard and fast, at least 2 inches. Then let the chest rise completely before pressing down again. Don't take your hands off the chest, just your weight. Step 6. Keep going. Do not stop compressions until the person shows an obvious sign of life-like breathing. The scene becomes unsafe, and automated trail defibrillator or AED is ready. The two exhausts continue before trained responder takes over. Step 7. Get training and encourage others to do so.
Listen, Rasul, like, quick, I'm just saying.
And safety tips. During full CPR, chest compressions and
Shelter. Temperate forest shelter. So that they make like a shelter like when they're in woods. They wear zuma. Woods love. Yeah, it's just like color. Wow.
beer bag like that.
Beer bag. Ini ya bear the zaktu like that ni. I've heard bear can climb trees.
Actually there?
Zuma ma. So this signs of fire and evolution. Do not climb on cliffs. Samla Nijala, do you remember the Croods? Where did they live at the beginning? In the cave, yeah. Yeah.
It's like a spot. But then,
This is how to build a fire nest.
And we have nothing. No matches, no lighter, and no food. Finding the right wood is absolutely critical to success in a friction fire. You want wood that's dry, up off the ground, and not dense. I've gathered a bunch of plant fibers. I'm twisting
Oh,
them together.
Salamla, you made a fire.
Now, if you have strong shoelaces, of course, you can
Now Pujung is making fire. Wow, Pujung fireless.
and then I grab the other one
job.
and do the same. You create friction.
Fire 쳤어. Salamla 가셨어. 또 하지 마. fire 쳐라. 누구 좀 주라. 달래 계란 주라. 달래 내렸어. Next stop is science of survival. So it's water. Oh, so these are all like plants. Water filtrations. Thì cái bé lẹo thúng mình đó. Water filtration. Next is navigation. Extreme cold. Wow, now this is icy area. Map reading, sorry. Build the compass. Something I'm Oh,
let's check out where the Queen Zoo is. Here, how about Queen's Boulevard?
okay. Like hinting these are clear, the corridor, they're a slight chisarim. So these are ice slider, snow slider. There are more here. Signs of survival, finding your way home. Celestial navigation. Sonamla, oh, thank you, darling. You're done trying? Chicho, you see the picture at the back? See, that's where you use those slides on the snow. It's like a sledge around it, snow sledge. No, like, oh, there is like a dirasha. Because the emergency chopper in it. There is a chopper. Chopper. So the next one is rainforest, food and tools.
Can you please go back there? Me and you are gonna hide.
You're gonna hide for me, Lahalar. Samla, what do you want me to do? You gonna hide? Or I have to find you? Okay. Okay. 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Ready or not, here I come. Kawa to kuzing dela de di gablo le de. Di basketball le de kuzing. Di basketball le de mindisha. Di shino gablo de mindisha. The rope twist check. Stars. Kuzing kawa dulana. Ka yaar arka ko Thomas look hai kya? I found Sonamla. Rinchela how the Rinchela the Rajan color Rinchela, your color stands out. I see you over there. Rinchela, come out. Rinchela. I found you, darling. I actually missed you the first time I passed through here. Knot tying technique they have different type of knot tying they cannot follow chide. Okay, so the survival experience, we're at the end. So this is the last section. Did you try? The hide and seek dixta. Migit. Property thola dona kajudangar. What's for dinner? That's a very good question. But we haven't had our lunch yet. Wow, this is my favorite section of all. It is a cozy home, sweet home. Okay, so this is the end of survival. So Samla dishada. Survival the condition so. Good? Okay. Good. Okay. I actually like that one a lot. To keep kids active, the obstacle course. So this section is camping, picnic bench. They also have like a fake fire. Fair campfire. Ninjala log. Okay, they're fishing.
Yes, I'm right. I'm gonna win.
So basically, you guys are making electricity.
I'm sharing my extra power with that nipple.
Okay.
Which one are you?
Oh, blue.
I'm helping you. I'm
Wow. So you gave electricity to everybody.
Can I show you a cool trick?
Kita dah ninja. Oh.
Run away in Africa. This place of charcoal welcomes new life.
Okay, sa movie ro ta na te macam sarda. Tarash. What is in here? Oh, it's just a light. So how much water you need to pump in order to make a cup of tea? That's a lot. You need 16-gallon water tank. Okay, let's see, Amma. Let's check. I think you don't need that many. You pump 6. Oh my God, 121%. You made a lot. It takes 7 gallons of water to produce it. This is actually cool, Amma. This is like a general knowledge. Question kar rahe? Okay. Koala. Well, a matching game. So these are supposed to be coral reef. I think it's grabbing more tools. Okay, so I'm going back there, okay? Okay, you. Whoa! Okay, we're done now. Oh, the dish mama. Let's go eat food, Amma. We're hungry, Amma. Okay, bye. The trucks we made. Ma, there's a chirole. You marda. Wait, tent pull a zupar go. Wait, there's a rafting tent. I can meet somebody in a gym park at this. These are the dial of Judakuga.
Imagine this is rafting, right?
Guys, Papa lata da. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Twin posa khawa da na bana bizara. Twin posa khawa. Jojo bujung khawa. Peekaboo. Jojo thangbo ja cha jasta hanjo. Dela ra chik thom nira. 나 입 내가 싫어. 빠빠게.
Except one hole.
No, once we out, they won't let us in, darling.
I know. But can
Already, we're saying goodbye to the science center. We are. Oh, they want to buy something here. Let's see. Ninjala. Earth ka ninjala.
What's your favorite? My favorite's Earth.
Okay, jamuling ni ninjala.
But we do go to Saturn. Yeah, we get Earth. We get
자이 말아마. 사람라 하고야 결합 샤인 여야다. They have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Venus, Neptune, Mars.
If you have any questions about pricing?
Oh my God, that's sun.
Feel free to ask.
Okay. Bring the cars.
Question? No. You can't.
Neptune.
Just see the sun.
They have Mars. Oh. Mama Santa, put chorala. Put chorala, samla.
What is it?
That is Polaris. That's the North Star. There's actually 2 stars.
Human ninja kunjung junju gara di manga segirdi. Junju di. Wait. Soft. 이게 지금 전부 잤어요. Puppet 분도 있다 라인 거지. 됐다 돼. Puppet 돼. 라인 다 elephant 가 지금이 puppet 돼.
Their Earth is 33.99.
Let's do the cool trick with the pencil. Once you rub it and you
Wow.
squeeze it, it turns yellow.
Wow.
With any color that has to be erased.
알레, 저 킨즈 펜슬 치즈니 딱 따래. So boys are having McDonald's and Papa and Amma are gonna get the Thai. So Papa is over there ordering. I'm getting the number 8. I'm getting the number 8 tattoo. Papa's probably gonna have rice and like vegetables. So can you 다른 예막 안 해줬어? Where? Science Center 로 안 해줬어? 기분 쳤어? Yeah. Alrighty. My number 8 is here. Baba 같이 갈래?
Chicken.
Baba 같이 chicken on rice, vegetables and chicken on rice. Boys are enjoying. Now we will enjoy. Bon appetit. So we are at food court right now, eating our lunch, and it's almost 2. We had fun at Science Center. It's actually a pretty good activity for kids. They loved it, and I don't know, what was the price, darling?
Each person is what, 13? I don't know, 13 something plus tax.
Oh, puguda mi kebala price ka yamara. Okay, so it's $13 something plus tax.
Under 2 is free.
Under 2 it's free. Okay.
Shama sounds cheaper.
Alrighty. Okay, it's a beautiful day, and I hope anyone who's watching this video had a great day as well. And I'm gonna end this video here today. Thank you so much to all of our viewers and all of our subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. We will really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and see you on next video. Till then, bye.